Hey everyone, my name is Egypt. Welcome back. Thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. Like, what? Literally, I'm freaking out for my childhood self and my current self because this has been a goal of mine for so long and I finally achieved it, and it's crazy. Like, people are really out here supporting my content. It's crazy, but I am definitely grateful for it and I'm excited to see where this takes me. In this video, I'm just going through my ideal morning routine. This isn't what I do every morning, but if I could do something every morning consistently, this is what I would do. When I first wake up, I just kind of do a little bit of stretching in bed because it kind of just makes sense, you know? Instead of stretching on the floor, might as well just stretch while you're in bed. It's more comfortable and it'll just get my limbs ready to actually get up out of bed. So I just do some light stretches while I'm in bed. Then when I finally get out of bed, I make my bed, which doesn't really take that long because I just put the comforter back in its position and then I kind of put my blanket on the edge of my bed and organize my pillows. And when my bed looks, you know, a little decent, I go and brush my teeth. That's usually like the first thing that I do when I get up because I hate the feeling of morning mouth. I don't know what it is. It just makes me uncomfortable. So I just immediately brush my teeth. After I brush my teeth, I wash my face with the CeraVe cleanser. This one's pretty good. Does what it has to do. I mix a little bit of water, set it up, rub it into my skin, wash it off. Then I use this Mary Kay 3-in-1 cleanser exfoliator thing to do my gua sha and like deep puff my face. So I use this little roller to deep puff my face. And then I use the gua sha to kind of sculpt my face. So I do it like on my cheekbones, my jawlines, my under eye, all that. And then I wash off the 3-in-1 and dry off my face with my face cloth. Then I just take off my scarf and my bonnet just to let my hair breathe a little bit. I just got it done, so it's very tight. I haven't really been styling it or anything because of that, but I just let it breathe a little bit. And then I use this toner. It's the Thayer's one. I used to use the Pixie Glow one, which is really good. It's just a lot more expensive, so I was like, let me try this. And I love toning because even after I'm washing my face, the toner still shows like signs of dirt. So it just gets all the last bits of dirt. And after I tone, I just use my moisturizer and then I get ready to take a shower. I don't know why, but I like washing my face outside of the shower and just showering in the shower. And to get ready for my shower, I just put my hair up in a bun so it's not in the way, and I hold the bun with this little scrunchie that I have. It's actually handmade crocheted by someone, which is really cool and cute and fun and fresh. Then I head into my bathroom to start taking a shower. Ideally, I would love to dry brush every day, but I don't. Today I did since I was filming. And all you do to dry brush is brush your skin in circular motions. This helps release the dead skin and it just gets off dead skin easier. It exfoliates the skin. It leaves it feeling super soft. So I do that all over my body in circular motions just to exfoliate. After that, I put on this Alana Fox I Am Affirmations video. This is the video I always use when I do affirmations because it's really good. Then these are the products I use in my shower. The Mario Badescu body wash and then the Glide Tone exfoliating body wash. And sometimes I exfoliate with this scrub, not all the time. And lastly, I use exfoliating gloves to shower. I do a lot of exfoliating because I have eczema prone skin and I also have hyperpigmentation, stuff like that. So I just think exfoliating is very important. So any subtle way that I can, I do. So after my shower, I go and moisturize immediately, and I use this CeraVe SA salicylic acid cream, whatever, and that also helps with like exfoliating and keeping my skin smooth. I mix it with the Johnson's baby oil as well, just because my mom told me to do that, so I just been doing that, and it leaves my skin super shiny, and I guess it locks in more moisture, so I do that all over my body. So after that, I put on some clothes and get ready to make my morning tea. I cannot start my day without my morning tea. It just helps everything. It busts out the mucus in my throat. It just works. It tastes good. Love that. Now that I made my tea, I feel so much better. I don't feel too good today, so it's a struggle, but I'm gonna be okay. I drink my tea, and then after I drink my tea and just chill for some time, then I go and make breakfast. So lately I've been eating pretty much the same thing for breakfast, and it's these little hash brown tater tot things. I'm pretty sure it's a hash brown potato patty. I don't know, something like that. I put it in the air fryer 10 minutes on each side. And then I grab 2 pieces of bacon, cut them in half, fry them. Then I throw the oil over the balcony. And I wipe the pan off, put some olive oil in there. Fry 2 eggs crispy. And then I season the eggs. Blot a little bit of the oil off. By that time, the potato patties / hash browns are ready. And then I cut an avocado, and I only use half for this. I put 1/4 of the avocado on each side. Just slice it up in the shell or the skin. Then I assemble my breakfast, so the hash brown on the bottom, the fried egg, then I put the bacon slice, then I season the avocado with onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and seasoned salt just to help get rid of that avocado taste. And I also drizzle some hot sauce on it because it just brings it all together. And this is so good. I promise you, you should definitely try it. I guess it's like kind of like avocado toast, but not really at all. So I don't know. Try it if you want. I made a little smoothie to go with this, and then I ate my breakfast. After eating my breakfast, I wrote in my journal, and that's pretty much my ideal morning routine. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for 10,000. I'm like beyond happy every time I say that because it's so surreal, but also so amazing. And it's just like, wow, I'm seen, I'm heard. People are seeing what I'm doing. They like what I'm doing, and they're subscribing. It's great. Oh, also, groceries. Forgot about that. Yeah, at the end of this video, I just decided to add groceries since I just vlogged my groceries that I got from Aldi's. This is my first time actually fully grocery shopping at Aldi's, so yeah, I just wanted to try out their stuff. So far, pretty good, and it's a lot cheaper than getting Instacart from Publix. so that's why I did it. I would save money, and I like saving money. So yeah, these are the stuff that I got. I got some salmon, a pizza, some broccoli. I got some lemonade, some Greek yogurt for my morning parfaits, and some mixed veggies. I also got a kombucha because my friend told me to try kombucha, so I got a kombucha. I got some tortellini, some strawberries, some mini cucumbers, some watermelon, some slightly green bananas. I'm just gonna let them ripe, and then some very green mangoes, some lemon. I got these little cranberry cheese assortment snacks, and then some graham crackers, some marshmallows, and some chocolate to make s'mores. I've been seeing s'mores everywhere, so I don't know why. I've been having a craving, so I just got the stuff for it. That's pretty much my morning routine and a little grocery haul randomly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to make more for you guys. Sorry, I'm excited. Bye.